Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we're focusing on a critical aspect of entering the Singaporean market, the role of the local registrant. Singapore is a highly attractive market for medical technology, but it has a regulatory framework that foreign manufacturers must understand to succeed. The primary legislation governing this space is the Health Products Act, which came into effect in 2007, and the subsequent Health Products, Medical Devices Regulations of 2010. Under this framework, the most important rule for overseas manufacturers to grasp is that they cannot register their medical devices directly with Singapore's Health Sciences Authority, or HSA. Instead, all product registration applications must be submitted by a local entity known as the Registrant. This registrant must be a Singapore-registered company holding the appropriate dealer's license, which could be an importer or wholesaler license. The registrant is the legal entity that holds the registration for the medical device and is entirely responsible for the product on the Singapore market. The responsibilities of the registrant are extensive. They are not merely submitting paperwork. This entity acts as the official point of contact between the foreign product owner and the HSA for all regulatory matters. This includes managing the initial product registration submission through the HSA's online portal, MedTech. Furthermore, the registrant is responsible for all post-market obligations. This involves crucial duties like reporting adverse events and managing any necessary field safety corrective actions, or FSCAs, which include product recalls. They must ensure that the device continues to meet all regulatory requirements long after it has been approved for sale. Choosing the right registrant is a strategic decision that has long-term implications. Manufacturers essentially have two options: appoint a commercial distributor or partner with an independent, third-party, authorized representative. While appointing a distributor may seem straightforward, it ties your product registration directly to your sales partner. If that commercial relationship ends, you risk losing your market access, as the distributor is the legal holder of the registration. Transferring the registration can be complex and is dependent on the cooperation of the former distributor. Using an independent representative separates the regulatory function from sales, providing greater flexibility and control over your device's registration and overall market strategy. The key takeaway is that your choice of a local registrant is not just an administrative step, it is a foundational element of your business strategy in Singapore. If you need help with global market access, including navigating the specific requirements for a Singapore registrant, please check out Pure Global. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.